Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Notability. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and help you decide which application best suits your productivity needs. Notion is a versatile workspace for notes, tasks, and project management, while Notability is a dedicated note-taking app optimized for handwritten notes and PDF annotation. Let's dive into their unique strengths and weaknesses to guide your choice. Notion truly shines as an all-in-one workspace. It offers a highly customizable database system, allowing you to organize information with incredible flexibility. You can create interconnected pages, embed various content blocks like text, images, and web links, and build complex workflows for both personal and team projects. It's available across multiple platforms, ensuring your work is accessible whether you're on your computer or mobile device. Notability, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for handwritten notes. Its smooth, responsive ink engine makes writing feel natural, almost like pen on paper. You can seamlessly annotate PDFs, highlight important sections, and even record audio that syncs perfectly with your notes. With a wide range of pen styles and colors, it's optimized for a visual and free-form note-taking experience, especially on Apple devices. So, which one is better? It truly depends on your needs. Choose Notion if you require comprehensive project management, robust database organization, and collaborative workspaces for your team. Opt for Notability if your primary focus is advanced handwritten note-taking, seamless PDF annotation, and audio recording, particularly if you're an Apple user. Consider your workflow: structured data for Notion or free-form visual notes for Notability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.